General Nicolas Torre III has already begun his duties as the new General Manager of the Metropolitan Manila Development Authority or MMDA. His first task was to inspect the preparations for the upcoming pahalik for the miraculous image of Jesus Nazareno. He checked the expected flow of devotees from entry to exit to ensure order and safety.
Ina-anticipate kasi na ang senyor dadaan ng Manila Hotel dahil diyan lalabas eh. So, as much as possible, binabawasan ng ating mga planners yung volume ng tao dyan.
Over 1,000 MMDA personnel will be deployed at the Quirino Grandstand, including medical teams, street personnel who will assist in crowd control and help maintain cleanliness and order. The MMDA also continues to coordinate with the Philippine National Police while intensive preparations are underway for the traffic management plan around the area. Devotees are advised not to bring large bags and to make sure they are in good health, especially those taking maintenance medicines. As GM Torre begins his term, MMDA Chairman Romando Don Artes directed him to focus on traffic management and enforcement, including strengthening discipline among traffic enforcers as well as programs on flood control. GM Torre also plans to speed up the MMDA's response time during road emergencies.
We try to benchmark ourselves, 5 minutes sa responde, 15 minutes sa clearing. May tinitingnan kami rito na yung current standards, 15:30. So, subukan natin kung kaya natin makapabilisan.
The MMDA will also coordinate with other agencies to strengthen traffic accident investigation. The MMDA chief clarified that Torres' appointment as general manager is not a demotion, but rather a promotion.
Kung titingnan mo yung salary grade, it's a promotion kasi from 29 naging 30. In terms of responsibility naman, although PNP is a big organization and nationwide, in terms of importance, I don't think nagkakalayo.
GM Torre will also serve as the official spokesperson of the MMDA. GM Torre admitted that he still has many things to learn within the agency, but Chairman Artes assured him of his full support. Patrick De Jesus from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.